Guys, it's a big month in Brain Fresh, so it's my birthday month in September. So we're having a productivity masterclass the whole month. So we're sharing all the neuroscience productivity tools every day, jumping in, doing workshops. So join me. The link is below. I have a monthly membership for women docs. We focus on productivity, time management. It is ready to go. What do you get? You get a 9-step framework that you can keep following at every stage of your career. And it's all neuroscience based. I love reading the research, digging into it, figuring it out, and making it real. And how can we focus and find our, to prime our brain for like big ideas? How do we, get our brain aligned with our strengths and our values? How do we even figure that out so we know what to say yes or no to? We figured that all out because that will determine our productivity, and then our state of well-being actually matters too, right? So if we come tired, exhausted, no go.